I'm back in here. Got this section of the T-top cut out. Was having rust issues right there, so I cut all the rust part out. Just a piece that came out of there. Just a piece here that's going in, rust free, a little surface rust, but that's nothing. Already got it sized up, getting ready to clamp it down and go to work on it. Well, I actually got a little more trimming, but that's it. It's going in there. Just like that. I gotta get it straightened up, but pretty much just like that. Gotta pull this dash and stuff back out so I don't burn it up with that hot metal flying. But yeah, that's one of the projects I'm working on. You know, getting rid of all the cancer on this thing, so that ain't gotta be a thing I gotta worry about later on. A couple more spots on the body I need to take care of. See, I did the floors. Been watching my other videos, you saw that. Floors in. It's only the passenger side that was messed up. Driver side good. Was under the car, grinding down the wheels and stuff yesterday, so getting ready to coat all that stuff. Getting this thing together, slowly but surely. Been slacking, but I've been in here a lot more lately, so y'all gonna see a lot of update vids coming. Y'all stay tuned.